Welcome back. I'm Jared Tatanish with Emerald Coast Fabrication. We've shown you some of our most captivating and custom kitchen designs, but today we're going to take you to the space where you start and end your day, the bathroom. In this video, we're going to show you some of our most impressive, jaw-dropping, and stunning bathroom installs that we have done recently here on the Emerald Coast. So the first bathroom we're going to talk about is a custom house here in Camp Creek. Now we've already talked about this video in our custom kitchen installs, but check out the bathrooms in this house. The powder bathroom is truly a masterclass in luxury. We fabricated a fully illuminated agate stone vanity enhanced with gold filigree. Paired it with a three-dimensional stone backsplash in a unique seashell sink. It is a total showstopper. In the exact same house, the Master Spa Retreat features these incredible textured leathered Labradorite countertops. Contrasting with the cobblestone floors and ombré shower walls is absolutely breathtaking. For our second stop, we head over to this masterclass bathroom in Seagrove Beach. This project was all about massive scale and taking the stone vertical. This estate has two separated primary bathrooms, a his and a hers. We installed rare 13-foot high custom Onyx shower panels in both bathrooms. Taking the stone all the way up to the ceiling completely redefines the space the moment you enter the room. We carried that same sophisticated design into the third floor bathroom, combining floor-to-ceiling stone slab wall panels with matching Waterfall vanities. It creates a seamless 5-star resort-like feel. So for our third and final bathroom, we're gonna go back to Camp Creek. This home is the perfect example of timeless, classic luxury. The primary bathroom is covered with jaw-dropping Calacatta gold marble from floor all the way to the 12-foot high ceilings. The veining across this space is simply phenomenal. And to contrast the bright, classic aesthetic, the secondary primary bathroom features an incredibly sleek and modern gray countertop. It shows you just how versatile natural stone can be in matching your specific design vision. At Emerald Coast Fabrication, we don't just install countertops, we engineer art. If you are building a custom home or planning a luxury remodel on 30A, Santa Rosa Beach, or anywhere along the Emerald Coast, our team is ready to bring your vision to life. Drop a comment below and let me know which one of these 3 bathroom installs was your favorite. And for more videos, please like and subscribe to our channel below. Have a great day.